In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manually log a call on a contact in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to improve your workflow, learning how to record calls manually is a great way to keep your client communication organized and ensure your CRM data stays accurate. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the HubSpot homepage. This is your main workspace for managing customer relationships. Once you're on the site, click on the Login button and sign in using your HubSpot account credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard, the central hub for all your activities. Take a quick moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to it. Now, look at the main navigation bar and find the CRM section. This is where you'll find all tools related to managing your contacts, deals, and companies. Click on CRM, and from the drop-down menu, select Contacts. Once you're in the Contacts section, you'll see a list of all the people or companies you've added to your HubSpot account. Browse through or use the search bar to find the specific contact you want to log a call for. Once you've found the right one, click on their name to open their contact record. On the Contacts page, look for a three-dot menu icon. This is usually located near the top of the screen or beside the contact's details. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From here, select Log a Call. A new window will appear, allowing you to enter all the important details about the call. Here, you can add the date and time of the call, its duration, and the type of conversation you had. You can also include any keynotes, follow-up information, or insights from the discussion. Try to be as specific as possible. This helps you and your team understand the context of past interactions when you review the contact's timeline later. The more detailed your notes, the more valuable your CRM data becomes. Once you've filled in all the information, click Save to confirm. The call log will now appear in that contact's timeline, along with other interactions such as emails, meetings, and tasks. This makes it easy for you or anyone on your team to get a complete view of the relationship history at a glance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to manually log a call in HubSpot. It's a simple process, but it can make a huge difference in maintaining well-organized records and improving communication across your team. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future HubSpot tips and CRM tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.